When dawn breaks in the heart of the Amazon, silence gives way to whispers, whispers of life. He hunts not from hunger, but from instinct. The forest feeds him, and in return, he maintains it.
Two shadows share one path. In the wild, coexistence is illusion. For every ruler, there will come a challenger.
Territory is life, a boundary drawn in scent and scars unweet, invisible yet sacred. To
Order returns, as it always does. The forest breathes once more under the watchful eyes of its ruler. In every leaf that trembles, in every river that runs, his spirit lingers.